Did you hear? Did you hear? Did you hear? Hey, did all you Emma bros hear? Here, hey, guess what? Did you know? Did you know? Did you know? Do you know?
Well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word.
Yes, I did know the bird was the word. You're so thoughtful. Okay, that was creepy.
Fatality.
But anyway, Kina is going to be doing the sound effects today with my Kindle. If you saw the other video, I was doing the sound effects, but now we're switching. So yeah.
Like a boss.
Yes, very like a boss.
Like a boss. Like a boss.
You don't need to keep pressing that, Kina. You killed him. Did you have my bros do that? I'm just kidding, I'm not dead. What percent should rainbow
Circus, Afro circus, Afro circus, Afro. Poke it up, Afro.
Oh, I forgot to mention. It's Saturday and I just woke up an hour ago. So I'm tired. So if I'm not filming this video, oh well, deal with it. You can leave a comment. I really don't care because I don't read them. My sister will. And she will tell me.
Comments are disabled.
Oh yeah. She disabled the comments. So like or subscribe. I know the video's not ending right now. But yeah. And Anne, don't you dare watch this video. I will find out at school. Dun, dun, dun.
I've got balls of steel.
Well, how would I know that?
Fuck off!
No, I didn't want to.
Finish him. Penny? Penny?
Yeah, nothing happened there. That felt very nice. Okay.
Hello, this is Patrick.
Who is this? Is this the cable man?
This is Patrick.
Who is this, I say? Are you Mr. Barnes? Who is this?
Hello, this is Patrick.
Okay, well, Patrick, shut up. There. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Fatality.
Somebody gave me one up!
Please like and subscribe to this video.
Bye bye, my lovely fans.